bad Wi-Fi because it's Wi-Fi. Always use what's fast is Wi-Fi. We try to get on the internet.